Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Google. We initially shared a report on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since February 2, 2024, our system has ranked Google as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.24. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.5%. This results in an average daily return of 0.28% since it was listed as a buy candidate. This stock is currently in the midst of a strong and steady upward trend. There are indications that this trend will continue. Looking at the short-term trend over the past 3 months, there is a potential for an 11.18% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between 8.12% and 19.31%. In the longer term, over the next 12 months, the trend suggests a significant 45.49% change. This could result in a return between 35.83% and 55.37%. In other words, the stock price could range from $198.22 to $226.75 in a year. Our latest daily update for Google brings good news: Green Day on Wednesday for Google. The Google stock price showed a positive trend on the last trading day, Wednesday, February 14, 2024. It gained 0.551%. Rising from $145.14 to $145.94. Throughout the day, the stock experienced some fluctuations, with a range between a day low of $144.09 and a day high of $146.52, a difference of 1.68%. It's worth noting that the price has been rising in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a 4.17% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 21 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.12 billion. Keep in mind that declining volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for this stock was $153.78, while the lowest price was $88.58. Currently, the price is 5.1% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $7.84 difference, and 94.04% below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Today, we're going to discuss some recent analyst ratings for Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google. Let's start with the latest rating from Goldman Sachs. On Friday, February 9, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Alphabet a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to another rating, William Blair assigned Alphabet an outperform grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Citigroup also weighed in on Alphabet's performance, giving it a buy grade with a hold action on the same day, Wednesday, January 31, 2024. KeyBank's rating for Alphabet came in as overweight, with a hold action on Monday, January 29, 2024. Finally, Barclays gave Alphabet an overweight grade with a hold action on the same day, Monday, January 29, 2024. According to analysts, Google stock has been given a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price to book for the stock are both rated as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Google stock. On Monday, January 29, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by 4.93%. It is expected to continue to drop until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some positive signals that may have an impact on the stock's short-term development. The Google stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This suggests a general buy signal for the stock, giving a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $146.17. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $143.80. A break above the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite prices rising. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also indicate a sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're discussing support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Google. Google currently has a support level at $142.38, which means that if the stock price reaches this point, it may present a buying opportunity. Typically, when a support level is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Google has average movements during the day, but with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock moved $2.43 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 1.68% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.63%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore the potential trading levels for Google. One crucial factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio falls within the range typically seen in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $1.48. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's now explore some potential day trading levels for Google. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $145.99. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $142.38. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. Pichai Sundar, a key insider, has executed the 5 most recent trades, involving the buying and selling of 22,500 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 3 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be -96.125, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 22,500 shares in the last 3 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $139.39, which represents a decrease of 4.49%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 12 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? While there are some negative signals and indicators that may impact its short-term development, we believe there is a potential buying opportunity for the long run. After analyzing the recent volatility and movements in the market, our systems indicate that the current price of Google stock is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate Google stock to open down $0.422 and start trading at $145.52. Before we proceed, it's crucial to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you understand and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Don't forget to comment below and share your target for the stock. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.